Hey guys, it's McDonald's and TinyTan unboxing time. I've been waiting for 2 days. I saw this on TikTok. Let's see what I get. These are the members of BTS. I wanted Jungkook. And I also want V. But based on TikTok, a lot of people are getting RM, Suga, and Jimin. I haven't seen any J-Hopes. I want Jungkook. So I don't know why they came out with this. But it's a blind box. It's purple for BTS color. And you can scan this QR code to dance with your TinyTan. Oh, I hope I get Jungkook. I'm unboxing it now. Okay. I don't know who this is. It is Jimin. It's kind of cute. Ooh, it's a big head. And here's his card. Lovely little angel. His personality is sweet angel, loves love, hardworking, artistic, kind to all. That's Jimin. Enchanting on the stage with his perfect performances. Off stage, he spreads love, warmth, and kindness to everyone he meets. Oh, Danny got one too. What? I got another Jinmin. Does anyone want a Jinmin? I'll try a Jinmin for a Jungkook. Woo! I'll put it on my desk. That's all, folks. Next week, I'll get more.